You're not stuck because your goal is too big. You're stuck because you're afraid to win small. And that's the whole truth and the reason why your future keeps waiting on you. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, I Will. Hey, check this out. Day 13, day 13, we focus on micro wins. Those tiny behaviors that rebuild belief, shift identity, and creates momentum that your old self couldn't maintain. And guess what? Day 13 makes it clear. Transformation does not come from giant leaps. It comes from micro wins. A micro win is a small, repeatable behavior that teaches your brain to follow through. And that matters because your brain, it doesn't trust your intentions. It trusts your patterns. Got something a little deep for you, y'all. Check this out. Your future self only appears when the daily version of you keeps showing up. Think about that. Your future self, well, that's the you every day. So if you want to change who your future self is, you have to change what you do every day. And get this, most people, they avoid micro wins because, well, micro wins, they remove all excuses. And when the win is small, you can't blame time. You can't blame motivation. You can't blame circumstances. It's just you versus the truth. Micro wins expose who you are when nobody's watching. And that's why your old identity refuses them. It takes away all the hiding places. If this is you, you're not suffering from a motivation crisis. What you're suffering from is an evidence drought. So today's assignment, choose small, attainable wins that you can complete today. Not impressive wins, not exhausting wins, but stabilizing wins. Clean one drawer, not the whole room. Write one sentence, not the whole chapter. Read one paragraph, not the whole book. One step, one message, one walk on purpose. Why, you ask? Because repetition builds momentum and momentum builds identity. So listen, hear me out. Small wins compound when excuses start evaporating. Now it's time for the ritual. Yeah, the micro win reflection. After each micro win, pause for one breath. Let your shoulders drop and let your nervous system register success. Then write this down. What micro win did I complete today? How did it shift my belief in myself? What resistance showed up? And what happens when I commit to this daily? Because listen, you're not training discipline. You're training identity alignment. So let me be clear. You don't need a bigger leap. You need a smaller step. You don't need more time. You just need more traction. Everything you want is built on micro wins stacked so high that the old you can't keep up. And always remember, micro wins make success inevitable. If this message resonated with you, I need you to smash that like button, click subscribe, and I need you to comment win secure. Let the algorithm and the community know you showed up for you today. Let's push this message out to more people that need it, that need micro wins. Let's build this community micro win at a time. One micro win at a time, because I will. Click that link in the bio, register now. Book your free Identity Snap consultation. Your free Identity Snap consultation. Click the link in the bio, book your consultation today, and let's get you set up. 21-day Accelerator program. 21 days, you and I. We're gonna build this together, we're gonna grow this together, one micro win at a time. You heard?